6-year-old Alfie Dingley has a rare condition which means that he suffers up to 30 violent seizures every day. Alfie's mother says cannabis-based medication obtained in the Netherlands, where it's legal, greatly reduced the frequency and severity of those seizures. At first, the Home Office blocked its use in the UK, where cannabis is illegal, but we can exclusively reveal that a trial of the medication will now be allowed.
Alfie Dingley suffers from a very rare, very aggressive form of epilepsy. He can have up to 30 seizures a day, which at the moment only very high levels of steroids are being used to control.
Oh, it's terrifying. I cry every time he has a seizure, and so does his dad. He goes purple, he can't breathe, he's screaming for me to hold him and tell him, you know, Mummy help me, Mummy help me. It's so awful. It's the worst thing I've ever experienced, and it was happening again and again and again. It wasn't just once, it was, you know, every week. It was awful.
Do you ever get used to it?
No. Hold it in your mouth and we go, two little dicky birds sitting on the wall.
Hannah took Alfie to the Netherlands to use medicinal cannabis oil. She says it radically improved his condition. She brought some of the legal component back, but wants to use THC too, the illegal part of the plant. On this, he didn't have a seizure for 27 days.
27 days where he could play with his sister, 27 days where I could not always be a full-time carer. You know, it was just a miracle for all of us, and we, as we keep saying, there's still room to go up on the dose of CBD, there's still room to go up on the dose of the THC. What if we could go 2 months?
Some research has shown that using cannabis-based treatments can reduce the number of seizures some epilepsy patients suffer. So far, the Home Office has refused to license it, not recognising any medicinal benefits. But tonight, ITV News has learnt it will authorise a 3-month trial for Alfie, led by his doctors. The Minister will explore every option and has met with Alfie's family to discuss treatments that may be accessible for him. For his mother, the Home Office's offer is a major breakthrough.
Without this medication, we know that he will be going back to having steroids every 4 to 10 days. And we know that will cause him to have psychosis, or he will have a heart attack, or his organs will fail and he will die. We know that. So we feel that this is a sincere offer because they want to help us. He is a 6-year-old little boy and he deserves to be safe and well, and this will help him to be safe and well. And I will not stop until he has what he needs.
It's for everyone.
Alfie, Hannah says, is living evidence cannabis oil works. All she wants to do now is get the government to agree. Emily Morgan, News at 10 in Warwickshire.
Many touching flowers